Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, the 3rd of August. My name is Sarah Louise, and you're watching Axiory's news broadcast. Let's start with the technical outlook for the euro-dollar. Price rebounded from S1 support and now is moving sideways. Fall below support will be indicating deeper decline towards S2 support, where price will be limited in further downside movement. On the other hand, if price rebounds from first support, it will focus on retesting daily pivot, and rise above will confirm upward movement. Overview of Axiory's chosen indicator shows a bearish trend today. Secondly, we have the dollar-yen outlook. Price rebounded from S2 support and now is approaching daily pivot. If it has enough momentum, it will break above daily pivot, focusing on next target at R1 resistance. But if it rebounds from daily pivot and is limited by S1 support, consolidation will be in favor. A vast majority of our indicators expect a bearish trend today. Following that, our outlook concerns the sterling dollar. Price is moving sideways, holding above support S1, and rebound will retest daily pivot, and further rise above will confirm target at R1 resistance. On the other hand, further fall will confirm downward movement towards support S2, where bottom will be formed. According to the summary of chosen indicators, we can expect a bearish trend today. Finishing up our outlook is the dollar-franc pair. Price rebounded from R1 resistance and now is moving sideways, but as long as price holds above daily pivot, upward movement will continue with target at R2 resistance. Fall below daily pivot will negate previous conclusions, and target will be at S1 support. Indicators show a bullish trend today. The first news for today is about UK services PMI that will be released at 9:30 a.m. GMT. Slight increase to 51.6 points from previous 51.3 points is expected. These readings showed that industry expansion is still in favor. This news will have a high impact on the sterling. At 10 a.m. GMT, Eurostat is going to report figures about retail sales in the Eurozone. Medium impact on the euro can be expected, and analysts are expecting decline from 0.6% rise in a previous month to 0.1% in retail sales. Bureau of Labor Statistics is going to publish numbers about non-farm employment change at 1:30 p.m. GMT. They are expecting increase from 80,000 to 100,000 employed people. Second news release at the same time by same agency will concern about unemployment rate, which is expected to remain at 8.2% like in a previous month. Both news will have a high impact on the dollar. And third news concerns about US non-manufacturing PMI, which will be published at 3 p.m. GMT. It's expected that industry expansion will again be in favor, because analysts expect PMI will remain at 52.1 points, as it was in a previous survey. High impact on the dollar can be awaited. And finally, we bring you our summary of the best traders and their strategies on Axiory, which are available too. According to the T-score, Theo for AUSSIEN is holding at first place in Mirror Trader platform with 158.1 pips. At second place is also Theo's strategy, but for Kiwi dollar, which has risen 172.9 pips. At third place, despite increase by 24.2 pips, is still a PSGTS1 strategy. Low risk invest increased slightly to 23.80%, while Indiaros at second place hasn't changed at all. FX multiplier on the downside recorded small decline by 0.58%. LW trading in trade leaders has increased by 72%, and at second place is now TK trading with gain of 1,117%. And on this date in 1852, Harvard won the first boat race between Yale and Harvard. Thanks for tuning in to Axiory's news broadcast. Have a great day trading, enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Bye bye!